and all. So, if you ask me, you know, we all know about the technology and the meaning of it. Innovations, every day is happening. I would just say, life becomes so easy. Previously, we were handling lot of things with us in our hands. हाथ में डिजिटल डायरी होती थी, वेट करने के लिए, टेम्परेचर नापने के लिए, and so many gadgets we have around us. Now everything is being sorted out with the mobile phone. This is called innovation. If you calculate the 10 kg is converted into hardly a 2.5, or I would say 250 grams. This is called innovation. So yes, solutions are available all the time in all eras. Previously, we talk about the compute, and I remember the days when I was just talking to the Mohit also previously. I remember the day जब हमारे स्कूल में एक कंप्यूटर आया था. We used to go barefoot to see that computer. We are not allowed to, go with the shoes and all. And उस समय से आज तक, if I'm talking to my kids, even they were shocking if I'll say life is without mobile. They were looking at me, यार मतलब कुछ कैसी बातें करते हैं पापा? Because they born with that, and they have that capability. Now they can think beyond that also, which I cannot see, and that is you. Whatever been built till date, whatever been here, what we can see today, you can create better version of it. And whenever we do anything better than the existing, I feel it's an innovation. So everything is present. It's only how you can modify it for the betterment of the social life of human beings, for human beings. And that is called innovations. Previously we were talking about हर problem का, जैसे कहते हैं ना, एक डॉक्टर के पास भी जाना है, एक्सरे machines होती थी, so many machines are there. Now it's been changing. Even the entire body can be scanned. Even people can find out where is the cancer cell is, how it is happening. Still we are saying we are not even have touched the 1% of the medical science problems which human body is facing. So lot of scope is there wherever you go. थोड़े समय में flying cars भी आ जाएंगी. Sir is saying that. I am also agree to it. हमने तो मैट्रिक्स मूवी में देखा था. Now everything is happening. So I just want to understand, because मेरे से ज्यादा पढ़े लिखे लोग भी यहाँ बैठे हुए हैं, and those are actually a mentor to you also. But I am from the industry side, not from the education side. Although my father used to be a principal of Kendriya Vidyalaya, so yes, education, some of the content is inside me, how to handle that thing. Otherwise, I would only simply say, these are the people who are building you. They know how to nurture you, and they are doing good. What is your thought process? I just want to understand from you why you people are sitting over here before jumping to the any topic. Can anybody tell me? Is there mic is there? Can I be interactive? Can I be interactive with you guys? Would you allow me? जानना चाहता हूं आप लोग यहाँ क्यों बैठे हैं? कॉलेज ने मजबूर किया कि अटेंडेंस शॉर्ट कर देंगे. And this is true. Sometimes बैठना पड़ता है. क्यों सर? Just want to understand. Anybody. Can anybody tell me, or I need to figure out? ऐसे करके बोलूं you? Oh, that's great. Please. हर इंसान आएगा, बोलेगा, सब अच्छा बोलते हैं. मैं भी बोलूंगा, इतने साल से यही करता रहा हूं, so definitely I would. And I love to. But I might be able to change the life of one person. My agenda is always one. If I am, मेरी लाइफ का एजेंडा पूरा होता है. I don't want that you people go to do any job. मेरे पास भी मत आना जॉब करके. Create something new. टाइम लगता है. जॉब आपको एक प्रोसेस देता है. Job gives you a process where you have to follow the rules and regulation of the organization, whatever they are doing, right? But once you talk about a new innovation, means कहीं ना कहीं आप reinvent करते हो फील्ड को, दोबारा उस प्रोसेस से गुजरते हो, and that learning curve is there. So you definitely have a hard time, or I would say a time. It could be, people are used to say it's a hard. It's actually a time, which is learning curve, which always with everyone. जो भी start करेगा उसको थोड़े बहुत तो आएंगे, but after that आपको मजा आने लगेगा. You start loving it. आप जॉब में जाते हो. So I'm not against the people who are going for the job and doing job. No. But कहीं ना कहीं I would say they are also not getting a chance to, or डर गए करने से. Otherwise, once you go for your own, you have ample of scope to take it to the heights. डर लगेगा, ग्लिचेस आएंगे, बहुत कुछ ऐसी प्रॉब्लम्स आएंगी, सब आएगा, उसमें कुछ नहीं है. आप यदि इफ यू आर पार्ट ऑफ द जर्नी, देन समुद्र में तैरोगे तो वो लहरें तो आएंगी. आप उनको अवॉइड नहीं कर सकते. यू कैन नॉट से नो टू देम. नहीं, मैं तो स्टिल वाटर में तैरना जानता हूँ, स्विमिंग पूल में तैरना. इट्स नॉट गोइंग टू हैपन एवरीवेयर. बट द फैक्ट ऑफ द लाइफ, कहीं ना कहीं स्टार्ट करना पड़ता है, एंड दैट स्टार्ट इज एक्चुअली a startup. I'm really happy that the Mary College is giving this opportunity to you guys to, listen from the industry, and at the same time, they are giving you the opportunity and hand-holding to help you to start up. मेरे समय में कोई नहीं था, हमसे बात भी नहीं करता था कोई. Even nobody is talking to us. हमें ये मालूम था कि 10th करनी है, 12th करनी है, ग्रेजुएशन करनी है, फिर एक मास्टर कोर्स करना है और नई नौकरी करनी है. लाइफ का एजेंडा यही था. We cannot think like you guys. इतना तो सोचने का टाइम ही नहीं मिला. धक्का देते रहे, बढ़ते गए और यहां गए, पता भी नहीं कैसे पहुंच गए. We have not created. आज हम कहते हैं we are created. We are pushed by the time. I'm sure बहुत से लोग एग्री होंगे इस बात से. मुझे नहीं मालूम था मैं यहां आऊंगा. I was not sure, even not sure. I don't have a thought process कि कभी कंपनी चलाऊंगा. I would be owner of a company where multiple people are working. I am guiding them. They are delivering. They are we are doing something. It's a time which has pushed me, and we are here. So the most important is believe in you. आपको अपने आप में विश्वास करना होगा. कहीं ना कहीं अपने आप से सवाल पूछना होगा, why? हर बार जब भी whatever you are doing, you have to ask yourself why, and that helps you out to come out of it. If you got the answer of your why, जिस दिन why का आंसर खत्म हो जाएगा ना, then it would be a problem. आपका why आपका है, मेरा why मेरा है. मैं क्यों कर रहा हूं? Why I am here? सुबह क्यों उठा? मेरे पास luxury थी to say no to the people. I'm not a paid member, but my motivation is you guys. It gives me a lot of energy. मैं जब आप लोगों से मिलता हूं, actually I'm feeling rejuvenate. It's not you. You people are helping me actually. मैं यहां अपनी मदद करने आया हूं. To look at your faces. जब हम डेड हो जाते हैं ना, तब आप लोग हमको एनर्जी देते हो. So that's why lot of thank you to you guys. मेरे तो यही नहीं समझ में आ रहा मैं बोलूं क्या. Because you have everything. आज मैं कुछ बोलूंगा, you will just type on the chat GPT and you'll get the result. I'm running in a cyber security company, networking company, and a lot of things, lot of corporates, my customer, you talk about Yamas of the world, ABP News or Fidelity or FIS, those are my customers. I'm meeting them on regular basis. But the energy which I can see on your faces, I'm not getting it anywhere. वो सब प्रोसेस के हिस्से होते हैं. आप लोग मुझसे कुछ नया पूछते हो, नए सवाल देते हो, न्यू क्वेश्चंस, and that helps me out. That's why I'm here. So, you know, startup or innovation. How many people would really want to start up something new? कोई अब बताएगा मुझे? How? Even teacher can speak up, not a problem. मेरा क्वेश्चन वहीं रिपीट होके आ जाएगा, where I can be able to interact with you guys. कितने लोग स्टार्टअप में बिलीव करते हैं, कुछ नया करना चाहते हैं? Anybody? नहीं चाहते हो कुछ करना? Oh, great. Please start. So you want to solve a problem.
Yes, sir.
But what was that problem? What is that problem statement? What will you solve?
Sir, USP.
What is that USP?
Unique selling price.
Price?
Proposition.
Yes, sir. ये तो इंग्लिश की टर्मिनोलॉजी होती है. करोगे क्या?
Sir, वही तो solve.
First of all, I would say, I want to clap for you, everybody, please. क्या आप खड़े हुए? खड़ा होना ना यहाँ पर बहुत दम लगता है. 4 टीचर देख रहे हैं, सारे स्टूडेंट्स देख रहे हैं. Somebody will laugh on me, मेरा मजाक उड़ाएंगे, उसके बाद भी आप खड़े हुए. बहुत बड़ी बात है. I wish you will get your answer from yourself, that which problem you want to address, whether it is a problem or not. आज चाय वाला भी स्टार्टअप बना के बैठ गया. Let's see, can you understand what he has sorted out? रेडी पे चाय बिकती थी, उसको उसने चायोस में कन्वर्ट कर दिया. 5 रुपए की कट चाय, converted into a complete restaurant, and he had solved the problem where people can discuss over the tea. चाय पे चर्चा. And he had sorted out. So you need to understand the problem areas. हम किस प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व, still we are doing that. We are an IT company, wherever we are going, we just see what is the problem. Softwares are available, internet पे डालो वो मिलेगा तुमको. We need to identify the problem area. I will give you the problem area. हर किसी के घर में बाथरूम के दरवाजे में चू-चू की आवाज आती है. 2 बूंद तेल की डाल दो, नहीं आएगी, बट नहीं सॉल्व कर पाती. We'll live with it. चू 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 चलती रहती है लाइफ इस तरह. एंड द प्रॉब्लम में सिर्फ 2 बूंद उसकी इसमें डाल दीजिए एंड इट विल स्टार्ट रनिंग स्मूथली. But I cannot be able to create that business. It's a very low ticket size business. But it is a problem. कहीं ना कहीं कोई ना कोई कुछ सोच रहा है, किस प्रॉब्लम को आप एड्रेस कर रहे हैं. स्टार्टअप कैसे होता है? See, this is also an innovation. See, somebody has seen that problem and had created that statement for the problem, that hingeless. So what you need to do, you need to look at what are the problem you have faced till date in your life. किसी ने ये भी प्रॉब्लम क्योंकि पढ़ना पड़ता है, कैसे सॉल्व करोगे इसको? ये प्रॉब्लम है या नहीं है? है? सॉल्व कैसे करोगे? स्टार्टअप है ना, यू वांट टू मेक अ स्टार्टअप. पहले ये बताओ ये प्रॉब्लम है या नहीं है? पढ़ना, डरो मत, खुल के बोलो। प्लीज स्पीक, टॉक टू मी, नॉट टू ईच अदर, प्लीज लुक एट मी। Have problem? Can anybody sort it out? No. Yes, people are solving. People are helping and solving it by creating something where you can not only read, you can see, visualize. आज ऐसे एप्स हैं, इस तरह का एजुकेशन सिस्टम है जहां पर आपको बैठकर खाली वन साइडेड डायलॉग्स नहीं सुनने हैं. You can be interactive. Even you can see the video, because you know the mind does not accept only reading. It can accept visuals also. Somebody कहते हैं ना, किसी की समझ में सुनकर आता है, किसी की पढ़ के समझ में आता है, किसी की विजुअलाइज करके समझ में आता है, किसी के एक्सपेरिमेंट करके समझ में आता है. So people are solving that also. So as much as problem solving nature आप develop करोगे, then you can able to drill down what problem you are able to solve. As she rightly said, कहीं ना कहीं हमें problem statement को ढूंढना है, तभी स्टार्टअप बनाओगे, नहीं तो क्या बनाओगे आप? आप सोच रहे हो जो चल रहा है मैं उसी में जाकर एडिशन कर लूंगा, कर लो, then you are one of them, no problem. But to innovate something, problem को understand करना बहुत जरूरी है. If the problem you are able to identify, पहले मार्केट में आप पे कोई बिलीव नहीं करेगा, then you have to live with it. जब आप उसके साथ जियोगे, आपको अपना विश्वास खुद पे होगा, then people start. कहते हैं ना, एक आदमी डांस भी करने लगे ना बिना म्यूजिक के, सब उसको पागल समझेंगे, थोड़ी देर बाद उसके साथ कोई ना कोई डांस करने वाला मिल जाएगा. और थोड़ी देर बाद आपको बिना म्यूजिक पे डांस करने वाले 20 लोग भी मिल जाएंगे. मे बी इट टुक टाइम. इसका मतलब डांस करने के लिए म्यूजिक नहीं चाहिए, डांस करने के लिए मन चाहिए, आपका मन होना चाहिए. इसीलिए लोग मंदिरों में भी डांस कर लेते हैं, जरूरी नहीं शादी में डांस करते हैं. यू नीड टू कम विद योर माइंडसेट दैट हम किस प्रॉब्लम को एड्रेस कर रहे हैं, देन ओनली यू आर एबल टू क्रिएट समथिंग. आई माइट बी रॉन्ग, मुझे रॉन्ग प्रूफ करो, बहुत अच्छा रहेगा. क्रिएट समथिंग न्यू, यूनिक आइडिया. So I would not take much of your time. I'll just give you the question and then you have a lot of time to think and you can ask me a couple of questions. I just want to my other fellow members, Mr. Mohit Gupta, who is from the Australian Bank and taking care of security, cyber security. Mr. Rajiv Thokral is, mentor to me also and taking care of a lot of organizations as a director, in capacity of director, and seasoned player. Both are seasoned player of the market. They have a rich experience of different corporates and this technological world. So I would like to call Mr. Mohit Gupta to give the insight more onto it.